birthday.
Good morning.
That's enough of that sassy smart talk, young lady. I got answers and I want some questions. Wait. Daphne, stop fighting us. We're here to help you.
Do you see him over there?
I'm not fighting you.
What has that monster done? I don't even know her.
Will someone tell me what's going on?
There was a break-in at the armory last night and a very dangerous weapon was stolen. We happen to know it was one of your monster biker friends who did it.
It's impossible. Velma and I were with them at their campsite on the beach the whole time.
That's what I've been trying to tell them. All of the wild meat stayed there the whole night.
With camping with monsters? Madame. Fine. But I'll be watching you and your tusked terrors from this point on. Ready to pounce like a panther. I'm in a closet.
Like, you went camping with monsters too?
Sure. They even gave me this.